Hello and welcome.
Hello, David. Hello, everyone.
I am David.
And I am Alice. We are so happy you are here.
Today we have a very special lesson.
Yes, very special and very easy.
Today we will talk about how to speak English with just 521 words.
521 words? That is not many.
Exactly. You do not need 10,000 words. You do not need perfect grammar.
No teacher?
No teacher.
No long time?
No long time. Just 521 words, and you can speak.
That sounds too good to be true.
It is true, Alice. Many learners think they need big words, but you don't.
So, what are these 521 words?
We will tell you. But first, please click like and subscribe.
Yes, it helps us make more easy lessons for you.
And it takes 1 second to help us.
Okay, done? Great. Now let's learn.
So, Alice, imagine you are in a restaurant.
Oh, I like restaurants.
You want to order food. You don't need perfect English.
Really? What do I need?
You need small words, simple words, like I want, please, this, thank you.
That's it? I want this, please. Thank you.
Yes, perfect. You just spoke English.
That was too easy.
That's the secret, Alice. Easy is good. Easy works.
Okay, so where do these 521 words come from?
Scientists studied English. They found that 521 words are used 80% of the time.
80%? That is a lot.
Yes, most conversations use only these 521 words.
So if I learn 521 words,
You can understand 80% of daily English.
that is amazing. I don't need 10,000 words?
Yes, not for speaking, not for daily life.
What about grammar? Past tense, future?
You can say, yesterday I go, and people understand.
But that's not correct grammar.
It doesn't matter. Speaking is more important than perfect grammar.
Really?
Really, if you say, yesterday I go to store, I understand.
You understand?
Yes, because I know yesterday means past. I don't need went.
I see. That is very freeing.
Freeing means it makes you feel free, less stress.
Less stress. I like that.
Let me give you an example.
Please.
Imagine you want to say, I ate breakfast this morning.
Okay, that's a little hard for a beginner.
A beginner can say, morning, I eat food.
That is very simple.
But do I understand? Yes, you eat food in the morning, breakfast.
So the beginner spoke English.
Yes, and that is success.
I see. So we don't need perfect sentences.
No, we need communication. We need to share ideas.
Share ideas. That's beautiful.
Let's practice together. Listeners, you can repeat.
Yes, repeat with us, slowly.
I will say a simple sentence.
And I will repeat.
Ready? I want water.
I want water.
Good. Please give me water.
Please give me water.
Thank you.
Thank you.
See? No grammar rules, no past tense, no future.
Just small words.
Exactly. Small words are powerful.
I used to think big words are powerful.
Many people think that, but big words can make problems.
Problems?
Yes, if you don't know a big word, you stop speaking.
Oh, I do that. I stop and think.
Don't stop. Use a small word.
Like what?
Instead of purchase, say buy.
Instead of assist, say help.
Yes, perfect.
Instead of communicate, say talk.
You are learning fast, Alice.
Because it's easy.
So here is the plan. Learn 10 new words every day.
10 words?
Yes, in 52 days, you know 520 words.
Plus one more word?
Yes, one more. Any word you like.
I choose chocolate.
Of course you do.
So 521 words, 520 common words plus chocolate.
Perfect. Now you can speak English.
But wait, what about questions? How do I ask?
Good question. You only need a few question words.
Like,
What, where, when, why, who, how.
6 words?
6 words. That's all.
Give me an example.
Okay. What is this?
Where is the bathroom?
When do we eat?
Why is the sky blue?
That's a big question, but you asked it.
I did, with small words.
See? You're already speaking English. Let's do a small practice conversation.
Okay, I will be the beginner.
And I will be the friend. Ready?
Ready.
Hello. How are you?
I am good. And you?
I am fine. What is your name?
My name Alice. What your name?
My name is David. Where are you from?
I from Spain.
Nice. Do you like food here?
Yes, I like pizza.
Good. Do you want water?
Yes, please.
Okay, 1 water.
Thank you.
You see, Alice, you made it small mistakes,
I said I from Spain, no am.
but I understood. That's the goal.
So mistakes are okay.
Mistakes are normal. Even I make mistakes.
You?
Yes, sometimes I forget words.
Really?
Really, I am not perfect. Nobody is perfect.
That makes me feel better.
Let's repeat some key phrases slowly.
Listeners, repeat after us.
First phrase, I want blank.
I want blank. Example, I want coffee.
Second phrase. Can I have?
Can I have, example, can I have a pen?
Third phrase. Where is?
Where is, example, where's the bus?
Fourth phrase. How much?
How much, example, how much is this?
Fifth phrase. I don't understand.
I don't understand. That's a very good one.
Yes, when you don't understand, say that.
People will help you.
Exactly. You don't need perfect English. You need courage.
Courage to try.
Yes, courage to speak.
David, what about listening?
Good question. Listening is important.
How can beginners listen better?
Listen to slow English, like our channel.
Good answer.
Listen to the same video many times.
Many times?
Yes, 3, 4, 5 times.
Isn't that boring?
No, every time you understand more.
Really?
Yes, the first time you understand 30%,
The second time?
maybe 50%. The fifth time, 80%.
That makes sense.
And you don't need to think, just listen while cooking or driving.
Oh, like our listeners do.
Yes, many listeners watch us while making food
Or driving to work.
or relaxing before sleep.
That's beautiful. Learning without stress.
That is the 521-word way. No stress, no grammar, no teacher.
No long time?
Just 521 words. And you, let me tell you a secret.
I love secrets.
The 521 most common words are online, free.
Free?
Yes, you can search 521 most common English words.
And then?
Learn 10 a day, make simple sentences.
Can you give an example of a simple sentence?
I like my house.
That's 3 words from the 521 list.
Yes, I like my house. 4 words.
4 words and a sentence.
Exactly. You don't need I really enjoy my beautiful home.
That's too many words.
Too many for a beginner. Keep it small.
Keep it small. I like that.
Now let's practice one more conversation.
A real-life conversation?
Yes, at a coffee shop.
Okay, I am the customer.
I am the worker.
Hello,
Hi, what you want? Small grammar mistake.
I want coffee.
Small or big?
Small, please.
Okay. Anything else?
Yes, a cake.
Sorry, no cake. We have bread.
Okay, bread, please.
Here you go.
How much?
$3.
Here.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too. Bye.
Perfect. You just ordered coffee.
I didn't say I would like or could I please have.
You didn't need to. I want is fine.
But is it polite?
You said please and thank you. That is polite.
Okay, so simple plus please equals good English.
Yes, that's a great rule.
Simple plus please equals good English.
And simple plus thank you equals even better.
I love that.
Let's talk about fear.
Many learners are afraid.
Afraid of making mistakes.
Afraid people will laugh.
But most people are kind.
Really?
Yes, when someone tries to speak your language, you feel happy, right?
Yes, if someone tries to speak my language, I feel good.
Same for English speakers. They feel happy when you try.
So don't be afraid?
Don't be afraid. Just try.
Even with 521 words?
Especially with 521 words, because 521 is enough.
Enough for what?
Enough for food, travel, work, friends.
Friends?
Yes, you can make friends with 521 words.
How?
Say, hello, I am learning English. You are nice.
That's so simple.
Simple works. Simple is friendly.
I want to try that one day.
You will, and your friend will understand.
David, what about writing?
Writing is the same. Use small words.
Give an example.
Instead of, I am writing to express my dissatisfaction, say, I am not happy.
Much better.
Short sentences, small words, clear meaning.
Clear meaning. That's the goal.
Yes, not beautiful English, clear English.
I will remember that.
Let's repeat more key phrases.
Listen and repeat slowly.
I need help.
I need help.
Please speak slowly.
Please speak slowly.
Can you repeat?
Can you repeat?
I am sorry. I don't know.
I'm sorry, I don't know.
That is good.
That is good.
I am happy.
I am happy.
See? All these words are from the 521 list.
Even happy?
Yes, happy is common, very common.
I am happy we made this lesson.
I am happy too.
One question from our listeners.
Yes? What is the question?
How do I know which 521 words?
Good question. There are many lists online.
But which one?
Look for Oxford 500 or Most Common English Words.
Oxford 500?
Yes, that is a good list. 500 common words.
Plus 21?
Yes, or plus chocolate. Your choice.
Okay, so learn 500 common words.
And then add 21 words you like.
Words like computer or mother or football.
Yes, personal words. Words for your life.
That makes sense. My life needs my words.
Exactly. A doctor needs medicine. A student needs book.
A cook needs salt and sugar.
Perfect. So 500 common plus 21 personal equals 521.
That is a very smart system.
And it works for everybody. Let's practice one more time. A longer conversation.
Okay, I am ready.
Imagine you meet a new friend.
From another country.
Yes, and you only know 521 words.
But that's enough, right?
More than enough. Let's go.
Hello, my name Alice.
Hi, Alice. I'm David.
Nice meet you.
Nice meet you too. Where are you from?
I from Spain. You?
I from America.
Oh, you speak English good.
Thank you. You speak good too.
No, small English. I learn.
That's okay. I learned Spanish, small Spanish.
Really? Say something.
Hola, me llamo David.
Good, very good.
See? We both learn. We both make mistakes.
But we talk.
Yes, we talk. That's the important thing.
I feel happy now.
Me too. Do you want coffee?
Yes, please.
Let's go.
That was a real conversation.
Yes, simple, slow, friendly.
No teacher, no grammar.
Just two people talking.
I love that.
So listeners, here's your homework.
Oh, homework?
Fun homework, not difficult.
Okay, tell us.
Find the 500 most common English words online.
Just search.
Yes. Then choose 10 words every day.
10 words. Write them?
Yes, write them, say them, use them in a sentence.
Example. Today I learn water. I drink water.
Perfect. Simple sentence.
That's easy.
Then, after 50 days, you know 500 words.
Plus 21 personal words.
Yes, and then you speak English.
No long time?
Less than 2 months. That's a short time.
For a new language? Yes, very short.
So start today. Not tomorrow, today.
Why today?
Because today you have motivation.
Motivation goes away.
Yes, so use it now. Learn one word, just one.
One word?
Yes, one word. Hello.
I know hello.
Good. Now you know 521 minus 1.
520 left.
See? You already started.
David, what about listening to songs?
Songs are good, but songs have difficult words.
And fast singing.
Yes, so listen to slow songs or children's songs.
Children's songs?
Yes, they use simple words and repeat many times.
Like Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star?
Perfect. That song has small words.
And I can sing along.
Yes, singing helps speaking.
Even if I sing bad?
Even if you sing bad, nobody hears you in the car.
That's true.
So listen, repeat, sing. Talk to yourself.
Talk to myself?
Yes. Say, I am making food. I am happy. Today is good.
To myself?
Yes, it feels strange, but it works.
Okay, I will try.
Good, because practice is more important than books.
More than grammar books?
Much more. Throw away grammar books.
Don't throw, just put them away.
Okay, put them away and speak.
Speak with small words.
Speak with 521 words,
Speak every day.
even for 2 minutes.
2 minutes is enough?
Yes, 2 minutes every day is better than 2 hours once a week,
Why?
because your brain needs daily practice, like exercise.
Ah, small exercise every day.
Yes, small speaking every day. Let's do a final repetition. Important phrases.
Listeners, this is for you.
Repeat slowly. I am learning English.
I am learning English.
Please help me.
Please help me.
I don't understand. Please say again.
I don't understand. Please say again.
Thank you for your patience.
Thank you for your patience.
Patience means waiting nicely.
Ah, many people have patience.
Yes, most people are kind and patient.
So don't be afraid.
Don't be afraid. Just say, I am learning.
I am learning. That's a beautiful sentence.
It is, because it's true. Okay, we are almost finished.
Already? That was fun.
Let's end with a question for our listeners.
Yes, we want to hear from you.
Go to the comments, write one sentence.
One simple sentence.
Tell us, what is your favorite food?
Oh, I love this question.
My favorite food is rice and beans.
My favorite food is pizza.
See? Simple, short, perfect.
You can write, my favorite food is.
Or, I like.
Or, in my country, we eat.
Any sentence, just write something.
We will read your comments.
And we will be happy to see you practice.
Because every small step is a big success.
Yes, small word by small word.
You will speak English.
Not perfect English, but real English.
Real English for real life.
That's our wish for you.
Thank you for watching, everyone.
Thank you for learning with us.
Please like and subscribe if this helped you.
And share with a friend who needs 521 words.
We will see you in the next video.
Until then, speak slowly, speak simply, be kind to yourself.
And remember, 521 words is enough.
You have everything you need.
Goodbye, friends.
Bye-bye. Take care.
Softly. You can do it.
Yes, you can.